guys, I'm your host for Tasting Greencastle, Gabby King.
I'm Kendall Johnson.
And today we're heading to 3G Bowling.
And I'm Emily Timberman.
And I'm a new hour.
You can get a free round of bowling with student ID, all free, which I love. You can enjoy some amazing food and a free round of bowling with your friends, so definitely well worth it.
So we've got the sampler platter, I think, and it's got, looks like some mini tacos, some fries, some tater tots, and some fried pickles.
Oh, and there's little shrimp in there too. Popcorn shrimp.
Wait, really?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah. Okay, we'll give it a try.
Oh, no, this is a mushroom. I was wrong. This is a mushroom.
That looks really good. Oh, let me try a taco.
Okay. I'm really perplexed.
It tastes like a
By the
chiquito.
concept of a mini taco.
Taco with the ranch.
With the ranch? Bold move.
It is like a taquito. It's really good. These are a fan favorite. They're really hot when you first get them. They're the cream cheese jalapeno popper. They're so good.
Oh,
I love a good jalapeno popper. They're
Boston.
amazing. Got sour cream with it too.
oh.
It's really hot, so I'm gonna be a little taste test.
Uh-oh.
That's a full jalapeno.
The jalapeno is popping.
It's popping.
It's popping out.
You see the cream cheese in there?
Yum.
So good. It's full. It's really good.
So
These are the mini
try
donuts.
one of the mini donuts. We got the cinnamon flavor, and I think this like a.
That's an icing, I think, or
It's like
something.
yeah, it's a cream cheese icing.
You gotta dip that in there.
Oh,
I think.
know it.
Yeah, I get a lot.
Got a dunker.
Dunkin'
Give her
Donuts.
a healthy dunk. All right.
Very yummy.
Yum. How is it?
A lot of cinnamon, but I have no complaints.
Let me try.
These are very yummy.
She's grabbing her dome.
Icing. Oh, so
Yum.
good. It tastes like an elephant ear at a fair. Yeah, like fair food. So I got a Dr. Pepper with vanilla in it. They have syrups behind the counter, so if you wanted to add cherry or vanilla to your drink, highly recommend. Let me give it a taste. Thoughts?
Heavenly.
Heavenly.